Andrew Ogola from Little Fish Swimming Club stormed to victory in the Nairobi County Level 3 Swimming Championships that were held today at Kyoto School in Nairobi. Njoroge strolled to victory in the girls' 50-meter backstroke masters, while Ogola won the boys' 1500 meters freestyle.
This event was very unique to me because we've qualified for level 1, level 2, level 3. So level 3 in hindsight is the fastest swimmers in Nairobi County. So this was really fun and exciting, but the competition was really, really steep.
I did 400 free. Again, I had a time, but I got gold. But then now, 200 fly, I got gold and I dropped 10 seconds. Got through 2. And after that, this 200 free that I've just done, I went to 26 and I have a gold now. So I have 4 golds.
My performance has been encouraging. I've improved some of my times. I've seen a few areas where I should work on.
Nairobi and Mombasa, I can guarantee you, will produce the bulk of the swimmers when it comes to national assignments. That, I'll not blow my trumpet too loud, but considering the level of competition in the two counties, we'll be producing the bulk of the swimmers.